Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering AI has replaced your job. Scary? Maybe. But here's the truth. AI isn't replacing jobs. It's replacing tasks. And if you understand which tasks are vulnerable, you'll know exactly how to stay ahead. The jobs most at risk all have one thing in common. They're repetitive. That includes data entry, basic customer support, routine copywriting, entry-level coding. These jobs follow clear rules, and AI is excellent at repeating predictable processes, faster and cheaper.
Now, let's look at jobs AI struggles to replace. First, skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and mechanics. Every job is different. Second, careers built on empathy. Nurses, therapists, teachers, and social workers. Third, leaders and strategists who make difficult decisions, like lawyers, creative directors, and systems architects. Here's what most people get wrong. Most jobs won't disappear. They'll change. Doctors already use AI. Designers use AI. Programmers use AI. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI, not compete against it. So, what should you learn today? Prompting AI, critical thinking, communication, adaptability. Because you won't be replaced by AI. You'll be replaced by someone who uses AI better than you. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what career you're pursuing. Subscribe for more AI content, and I'll see you in the next video.